Why you're having issues flying today is because you were late.
It's because I'm sitting. Remember that sitting conversation we had earlier? That's
the only time you should ever sit is when you pee.
I do. I sit when I pee.
See, but that's what I'm saying. That's when you need the most amount of focus.
It's all about comfort.
Comfort.
You know? And it's better to sit when you pee.
Even focusing. That's focused. Whew, that was a super fun day. I didn't break anything. And the best part about going out flying, I could let printers run. Because you guys are buying the hell out of these 3 PV mounts. Like, holy shit. I think I've sold like 40 of these 3 PV mounts. So, I've got a lot of work to do. I'm going to edit a video and maybe... What do I think? I have a drink? We'll have a drink. Nah, I'll get a Red Bull. I need the energy. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Stay original.
Oh, this silly, I'm about to Bambi. Baby's yellow, text. Swing, give me like candy. Run up the racks, track me. I run up the racks like an athlete. Big fat, sure the dick, 6 flags. Ballin' like big fat, told her I love her. I ain't really mean that, yeah.
Nowadays these people are friends. Remember way back she was love. These bitches sneaky got caught. I got 4 hooked up on top. I remember. Remember I was selling dog food, no kibbles, just to get me some skrill. Remember I was really on the block like Tetris, just to get me some chip.
Surfing, rock in the parking lot, my weed louder than like the gay bubble. I be on her mind like non-stop, yeah. Had to cut the little thought, now I'm talking. Remember smoking blunts with my friends. Seconds a couple of days, yeah. Lost the lock to the fan. That's the shit got me upset. But at 8, then I finally thought, yeah, I'm funky with side. 4-4, I'm a zombie. This a girl,